Hi everyone, my name is Wayne and I'm from People Against Substance Abuse. We are an organization, we do drug prevention, awareness, and we do life skills programs. And we want to talk a little bit of the issues why kids get involved with substance abuse and at what age. And what we see in society and in the schools where we're busy running our programs, we see that the age where kids start with substance abuse runs from 12 years and older, but in some cases we have also seen younger than 9 years old and even younger than that. And the reason is that some of these things that impact our kids, where they make a choice, is society, is boredom, it is how they see themselves. It can also be the circumstances. It can also be peer pressure. It can also be an influence. It can be their reality. It can be what they face. It can also be how they grew up, and also if they suffer certain things in the household. This can all be have an impact on these kids where they make choices and get involved with wrong things. And therefore we also we do different programs to equip and empower our kids about the truth about substance abuse, but also give them the right tools so that they don't fall prey to the lies of society and also the lies of what they hear, what people say out there. And our purpose is that we have three different programs. So we have the Living Lives of Purpose program, where we talk to the kids about these things, giving them the right tools. We have the anti-bullying program, the Brave Space, that we also see that through bullying, kids also get involved with substance abuse to escape the hurt and the pain. We also have another program where we call it the Bound program, where we run a license program for 3 days and we equip our kids with the necessary tools to live a life of purpose so that they also can know and realize that God has made them for a purpose. Thank you so much.